Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my linguine with prawn and chorizo. A really simple, very fast dish. Right, fry pan, a little bit of olive oil that goes in, really simple so far, and I've already got one nice large or two large nice chorizo sausages, which I've cut up nice and thin into nice little discs. Just like that, alright? Put those in and let those cook off for around about 2 to 3 minutes or so, and all the fat and oil will come out of those chorizo. Right, take those out and put those aside just for a minute or two, just like I'm doing right there. And if you haven't tried cooking with chorizo before, it's an amazing flavour. It really is. Nice garlicky and oniony, really strong paprika type flavours. Now, we're going to take those out, put those aside, and we're going to keep that heat on. And here I've got 1 punnet of little cherry tomatoes, and I've just cut those in half. Some of the larger ones I've cut those into quarters or thirds, and we're going to put those straight in and let them just cook off and blister away, and it's going to make up a very, very nice light sauce for this dish. A little bit of salt, right, a little bit of pepper to taste, of course. Put that in, give those a bit of a stir from time to time, and we're going to cook those off for around about 4 minutes or so, right, until they sort of start to soften. Alright, I'm pretty happy with the way they're looking like that right there, and all I'm going to do now is remove those from the pan as well. Okay, so just put those into a separate little dish and put those aside. Okay, now in the meantime, Mrs. KP is getting ready with our linguine. She's cooking those off as per the back of the packet, and I'm putting in around about the same quantity or same weight of green prawns as there was chorizo. So if you've got 100 grams of chorizo, put 100 grams of prawns, you get the gist. Put the chorizo back in, just like that, and you see the colour of the oil on the bottom of that little dish. That beautiful, vibrant, yellowy colour. Right, so everything goes into the pan. I'm going to add in 3 cloves of garlic crushed. You can add more or less. The chorizo is already pretty garlicky enough, but 3 cloves of garlic was about right for this dish. And return your little tomatoes in as well, and keep stirring those around and wait for the prawns to cook off. They will go a nice vibrant pink, and they will be absolutely perfect. Just before I do that, I'm going to add in the juice of half a lemon and the rind, of course. That's going to go in. It's going to make things really nice and zingy. Just keep stirring those around just like that. And if you haven't had chorizo and prawn before, it's a beautiful combination. It really is. And try and buy your chorizo when it's on special. Sometimes it can be a little expensive. A little bit more salt just to taste. I've already dunked my finger in that hot oil and burnt it and tasted it. And a little bit more pepper, just like that. Right, just add that in. Okay, as you can see, things are bubbling away. The prawns are starting to cook off, and this dish in total will only take you around about 10, maybe 12 minutes to cook. Okay, depending on how hot you have your pan. So just keep moving those prawns around. They will cook off. As you can see, they're all starting to curl up. Right, Mrs. KP's done the linguine, a little bit of pasta water into our sauce that we've just made up. That goes in just like that, and keep giving that a little bit of a stir around. And all we're going to do, that linguine is only just cooked. Right, so when it's just cooked, it's about time to put the linguine in, and we're going to finish cooking the linguine off in that little nice light sauce that we have created. So give that a little bit of a stir around, just like that. Get that linguine coated with those beautiful oils and juices that have come out of the prawns and the chorizo. Okay, and all we have to do now is serve that up. Right, how quick and easy was that to do? I'm going to finish that off with a little bit of grated pecorino cheese, fresh pecorino cheese. I prefer the pecorino. You can use parmesan if you want. Alright, love to see you try and make this one at home. It is quick, it is fast, it is really nice and easy to do. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence to make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We are trying to get known as KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. But leave a comment, I love reading and I do respond to all comments. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a real quick, easy pasta dish just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you will never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my linguine with prawn and chorizo, and I will catch you next time. Bye.